Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about Figma Incorporation, ticker symbol FIG. Figma Incorporation is a design and collaboration platform that allows teams to create, share, and work on digital products together in real time. It is widely used by designers, developers, and businesses for building user interfaces and improving workflow efficiency. The company focuses on cloud-based tools, which means everything runs inside the browser without needing heavy software installation. This gives Figma a strong advantage in accessibility and team collaboration. Looking at the future potential, Figma is positioned in a growing industry where digital design and remote teamwork are becoming more important every day. As more companies shift toward online products and services, tools like Figma can continue to see strong adoption. Innovation in AI-assisted design and deeper integrations with development tools could further strengthen its position. Now let's talk about the chart analysis. On the short-term chart, the stock shows a gradual upward movement after a small dip. There is a visible recovery trend where buyers are stepping in after lower levels. The price is forming higher lows, which is generally considered a positive sign of strength. There appears to be a resistance zone near recent highs where the price slowed down. If the stock managed to move above that level with strong momentum, it could indicate continued upward movement. On the downside, previous support levels may act as a cushion if the price pulls back. Overall, the trend currently looks stable with a slight bullish bias, but confirmation depends on how price reacts near key levels. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decisions. Thank you for watching.